Hi, I'm Keith Worfolk, and the EC Council has asked me to provide this video to answer a few questions about my journey as a cybersecurity professional, and how the CEH certification has helped me in that journey. And I'm currently a cybersecurity expert, among other expertise, at Wavestone. I am actually part of the team that's leading the U.S. practice for cybersecurity at Wavestone. We're an international organization of about 3,500 people, and we work across multiple industries. I'm currently working with an international aircraft manufacturing company, as well as an international insurance company, and I say I'm working with several other clients simultaneously, with my cybersecurity expertise. And I believe the CEH certification does help my credibility in that space. So, stepping back a little bit, what is my overall journey in my career and the cybersecurity professional area of expertise? Well, I started off as a developer and architect many years ago at IBM. Been doing this for about 30 years. And over the years, I've progressed from those development and architecture roles into many leadership roles, including CIO and CTO. And cybersecurity has always been part of the equation, but it was good for me to get more formal in my education and understanding about it. And I did that beyond. So I have a master's in comp sci and an MBA, so good basis. And I think it has rounded out my skill sets. It's helped me to show that, yes, in the past I've understood IT generally. I've built up a lot of development teams, enterprise architecture teams, and really all phases of architecture is one of my expertise that's has permeated all steps of my career. But the security piece of it may have been weak in the past, and it's not anymore. It's one of my strengths, thanks to the CEH certification. So I think that's how it's helped my career. It's helped my confidence around cybersecurity. And when I speak to clients, I think I have some clout right away because of my certifications and CEH leading the way. Yeah, it actually did. So the EC Council asked me, well, they're in multiple ways. So one of the ways is the EC Council asked me to participate in the next round of the CEH exam. So I did a lot of work around that to add additional exam questions and answers and input into what that exam would look like in the next version. So that was it was a fun exercise, and I'm glad that the EC Council asked me to do that. Another way is for the general industry giving back is I generally write some strategy papers, white paper, strategy briefs, whatever you choose to call them, around cybersecurity. I mean, these days I'm doing a lot around cloud security, and I'm writing some white papers around that, and that helps me out. It helps my company out, of course, to get inroads with different clients, but it also helps those clients out. And I think that's an interesting way to keep giving back. So I intend to keep doing that, perhaps even go into some teaching around this at some point when I have some time. Well, I think my favorite part was the hands-on, was the ability to kind of roll up your sleeves, dig in. Again, I came from an architect and developer background. I'm used to getting very hands-on and technical. So even though I'm in leadership these days, it was fun to get in the trenches, to figure out how to set up a cybersecurity test, or a pen test, for example, or how to monitor a network for any nefarious activities going on and such, and just be aware of how to do that. So now when I talk to my engineers and my designers, my architects, about anything going on in the network, or around systems for cybersecurity, I can understand what they're talking about, and I can help give the right guidance strategically for what we need to accomplish tactically. Certainly, the EC Council has helped me with this certification, with the additional confidence that it's bestowed upon me by asking for me to input to the next version of the exam, and even asking me to provide this video, and that my journey was important to the EC Council, and I appreciate that. So. Yeah, I would say the EC Council has been integral to my journey in the recent year or two, and I plan to go on further and get to additional EC Council education and perhaps additional certifications. So I appreciate the relationship I have with the EC Council and what the CEH certification has done for my career and my own confidence.